We are in this mini project too, and we have seen the modules. That is, we are working on banking project, and we have seen the modules like open account, then deposit amount, and get all accounts. Today we are going to complete the remaining modules. That is, we'll go with this withdraw amount, delete account, and get account details based on account number. Now, for this, we have already created the Spring Boot project. Let me run this. Right click and say run as Spring Boot app. Right. Then in our database, use mini project to DB. Then select start from accounts. This is our table. Right. We are having something like 5 records present in the table. So this is backend. And coming to front end, let us open the project in Visual Studio Code. Then build the project in this cell. Open browser and go with the URL localhost 4200. Right, we are getting the list of accounts, and we have done with this open account, we have done with this account list, and we have done with deposit amount. Right, so these modules are completed. Now today let us move to the next one, withdraw. So for that, in this list account.component.html, here we are having this action now. Let us go with one more button here. Let us create one more button. Withdraw. Let us go with one more, withdraw. Now go with the function withdraw. Create a function withdraw. Now go to this file list account component.ts. Create a function here withdraw, which takes account number as argument. So we are creating the function withdraw. Now check the result here. See here we got this withdraw button. Now here there is no gap, right? Observe here we are not having any gap here, so doesn't not looking good. And even I want to change the color of this button. So for that, make use of margins here. Here you provide the margin. Let me go with the class as primary. Class as primary, and let us go with this style. Margin left. Margin left. Let me go with the 10 pixel. I'm just going with the gap here. So what we have done, we have given button primary style as margin left 10 pixel. Now check the result. See, now see we got some gap here. So for this only we are going with margin left style. Now when you click on this withdraw, it should go to which function here? It is entering into this withdraw function. In this withdraw function, what I should do? I should navigate to withdraw component. So let me write here this dot navigate. Sorry, this dot router dot navigate, and we'll go with the name /withdraw and we'll pass account number. Right? Now let us create this withdraw component. Let us create the withdraw component. How to generate a component? Ng generate component. And what is the component we have to create? Withdraw. terminate this compilation. Ng generate component, and let us go with the name withdraw component. Now we have created withdraw component. Now go to this app routing, create a path. Let me just copy and paste here. Let me go with the path as withdraw, and component what we want to load here is withdraw component. The component what we want to load, withdraw component. Check it here, the result. Once we build the project, here when we click on withdraw, once it reloads, let us click. Here when we click on withdraw, see your withdraw component works, means our navigation is working now. Now design the form for withdraw. So just you can take it from deposit. Already we have created deposit.component.html. Now you can take the form from here, copy this and paste it in withdraw component.html. Same form design. Here what we'll write, withdraw amount, withdraw amount. So form ng submit on submit. Here we'll say label withdraw amount, and we'll say input type equal to text, class form control placeholder, enter amount to withdraw. ID will take same account balance, ng model account balance, name account balance, same thing, same details we are taking. And here create one submit button, and let us go with the name withdraw amount. Withdraw amount. We have designed the form. Now when we click on this button, it will go to what? On submit. Now go to this withdraw component.ts. Here withdraw component, same like deposit only, small changes here. Account number, it's of type number whose value is 0. Then create object of account, new account, then import here for account. Go with a constructor. In the constructor we'll take private account service, then comma private route activated route, then comma next one private router, right? So just I entered. So just here we are separate by comma. So your constructor is ready. So what you have taken in the constructor, we have taken 3 arguments: account service, route, which is of type activated route, and one more router, it's of type router. Okay. Now go with this on ng on init, means when the component gets loaded, it enters into this method ng on init. Here we will take this start account number equal to this start route dot snapshot dot params the account number. So what is the use of this? So on whichever the button you click, so if you click on withdraw, that's respective account number we should read. That's the process here. So to read that only, we'll go with this start route dot snapshot dot params account number. So on whichever the record you click, that account number will come and store into this account number. Then what you do? Now say this dot account service dot get account by account number and pass this dot account number. So we are invoking the method present in service class, get account by account number, say dot subscribe. Then what are the data we are getting? That we are going to store it into. What are the data we are getting? That we are going to store it into account object. See here, what we are doing based on the account number, we are invoking the service method, get account by account number. So whatever the account we get from that service, that we are storing into this account object. We are storing it to account object. That's the use of this ng on init. Then, once the initialization is completed, now create the method on submit. Create the method on submit. Here we'll say this start account service dot, we'll call the method withdraw. We need to create this method now. We'll call the method withdraw and we'll say this start account number, this start account number, this start account dot account balance. Then we'll say, so what argument you are passing to this withdraw method? Account number and account balance. Then we'll subscribe. Then the result, whatever you are getting, the data what you are getting, we'll give that one to the account object again. Then after assigning the data to the account object, the latest details, the account details will assign to account object. Then we'll redirect to this dot router dot navigate, where we have to navigate to your accounts component. So to refer to that view accounts, square bracket slash accounts. So this we are navigating to accounts. See here. In routing, whenever we mention accounts, it's going to load which component? List account component it's going to load. Right? So this completes our on submit method. Now, what we should do? We have to create this service method in account service class. What service method is going to do? It's going to invoke our REST API. Go to this service. So we have done with the deposit. Similar way, go with withdraw. Withdraw. Account number. It's of type number, comma, amount. This one should match with the name, like same thing we have taken now. So we have taken deposit amount. Now here we have to take withdraw amount. This name is very important. Withdraw amount. So this name should match compulsory in our Spring Boot application. We are having this method now, withdraw. So it should match with this name. This name should match. This is important here. Okay. So withdraw amount, it's of type number. Observable account. Then see here, constant request equal to, what is that? What is the name we have given? Withdraw amount. Withdraw amount. Then say return this dot http client dot put. What method we have to use? It's a update operation put account. Put account. Then say dollar this dot base URL. This dot base URL slash dollar account number slash withdraw, then say comma request. What request contains? The amount which you want to withdraw. So what you are invoking? We are invoking our REST API, this one. So we are invoking this REST API withdraw. So that's the reason after giving account number, we are even passing withdraw. Observe here. After providing account number, we are even saying withdraw. And request. Request contains what here? The request body contains the request here, which holds the withdraw amount which you want to withdraw. Right? So this withdraw method we are invoking here. So from our service, we are invoking the withdraw method. So the method here, it has come wrong, withdraw. The method name is withdraw here. Now check it here. Come to this withdraw component.ts. See here. The error has gone. Then now let us build the project and check whether it's working or any issues are coming. It's loading the page. There. Now let us go with this Raj. So we are having 1 lakh. Let me withdraw 20,000. Now when you click on withdraw, see the amount has been updated here. So it has withdrawn 20,000. Now let us go to this John and withdraw 15,000. We want to withdraw 15,000. So when you click on withdraw, see from 65, if you are withdrawing 15,000, so now the balance is 50,000. Check in your database table also. Check it here. See here, it's updating here. The records are getting updated in the backend also. So withdraw operation is working. Clear? Any questions up to here?
No, RK.
Right? You have to compulsory practice. If you practice only, it will be easy to work. Let us move to the next action, that is delete. So which file we have to take? Let me close one by one so that it won't disturb us. Let us go to this list account component.html. Create one more button. Copy this. Paste it here. And let me save button danger. And we'll see here delete. Delete the account. Here we'll go with the function name delete account. We'll go with the function name delete account. Right? Now go to this list component.ts. Create a method delete account which takes account number as argument. Here what we'll do, we'll invoke the service method. So go to this service, create one method here in service. Create one method in service, that is delete account. Delete account which takes account number, its of type number, observable account. We'll say return this dot http client dot delete. Which method call we have to invoke? Delete. Delete account. And we'll say here $this dot base URL some mistake. This dot base URL and say slash dollar, and what we have to pass? Account number. Whatever the account number we are providing, based on account number, that record will get deleted. So we are invoking which API? This one. Delete account. This API we are invoking. Based on the account number what we provide, that account will be deleted. So this service method is ready now. Now Come to this list account.ts. Now write the code in this method, delete account. This dot account service dot delete account, pass your account number, then say dot subscribe. Then what are the data we are getting? What we do? We'll call this dot get accounts. So already we have created this get accounts method. So what is the use of this get accounts method? It's going to display all the records present in your accounts table. So it's invoking account service dot get account list. So that is the use of this get accounts. Right now, here we are having the delete button. When you click on delete, what we click it, delete. Why it's going to this? Let me build the project again. Here, when you click on delete, we are getting some error here. Let me check it. So some HTTP response error we are getting. Let me check it in Spring Boot. No issues. Okay, it's unable to provide proper response here. So for this one, just let us change the method name here. Not method name. Let us just change it here. So let me go with here. Let me check the error once again. So it's unable to parse it. Okay. Let me change the return type of this method. Response map string comma boolean. Same delete account. Here we'll say account service dot delete account. So we'll say here map string comma boolean response equal to new hash map string comma boolean. Then we'll say here response dot put. We'll go with the message deleted and we'll say boolean dot true. Then we'll say response dot entity. Okay. And we'll return this response. That's it. So I've just updated this delete account method. Let me rerun the project again. I'm building the project, Angular project once again. Let me click on delete button. See here, the account is getting deleted. Clear? The delete operation. Just what changes have done in our controller class? Just have updated our delete account method. So just we have added this response entity map string comma boolean. So this response we have added because it is not matching with the response what we are getting from Angular. So for that reason only I have done this update here. Clear? Any questions?
No, Raj.
Right. Moving to the next one, the last module, that is view. Let us go with a button, one more button. So button click, you will see here view account, pass the account number, then class button info. Just will go with the button as button info. Then style margin left 10 pixels same. Then here we'll go with the button value as view. Right now, create a method view account in list component.ts. Create a method view account. We'll go with account number. It's of type number. Right now, check it here. The result. Here. Now we are having same view. So when you click on view, that respective account details I want to display once again. Okay, that's the task here. So for that one, what we do in view account, let us create one more new component called as view account component and we'll redirect here. So this dot router dot navigate will navigate to view account and we'll pass the account number. Right now, let us create this view account component. Create view account component, the last one. How to generate a component? Ng generate component view component. Ng generate component. Let me go with the name view account component. Now, so here in routing, what we do, we'll go with the path as what is the path name we have given? View account. View account. Then based on same account number. Then which component we should load? View account component. Which component we have to load? View account component. Check it here. When we click on view, see here, view account component working. Now start writing the code inside this view account. Go to this view account, take these files, view account component.ts. Here, go with account number. It's of type number. Then create account object. Then go with a constructor. To this constructor, you take account service, subtype account service, then comma, private route, activated route. Now go with the ng on init. In this method, take the account number what you clicked. How to take it? This start account number equal to this start route dot snapshot dot params. Then take the account number, square bracket, account number. Right here, this start account service dot get account by account number. To this what will pass? This start account number, and we'll say dot subscribe. The data what you are getting, this data will store it into this start account object. So on whichever the record you clicked, that record will come and store into this account object. It will come and store into account object. Right? That is uninitialization. Now whatever the account object it has created, now I should display that account object. So for that, go to this view account component.html. Here you go with the element h3 account details. Now create a division, and we'll write here account number. Take the account number, account dot account number. So just we are displaying account number, account customer name, and balance. So go with one more division. Here you display customer name, account dot customer name. Next one, account balance. We'll say account dot account balance. Right? Just we are displaying the data over here. Now build the project. Now when we click on view, see it's showing account details, account number 0, customer name, account balance as 0 only. It is not taking any data. Everything is correct only.
Just reload the page, Raj, once.
Yeah, just thing bad request. This routing is it's going to API/accounts. After that, it's saying undefined. Our account number is not going properly over there. Let me do one thing. Here we have written this code. Let me just copy this code, same code. Here, now we are getting, right? So whatever the click operation you are doing, we are getting that list, right? We are getting the result. I think we have done the mistake here, this one. I think just we passed account number. So we have to say this dot account number. This one got missed, right? This is
Yes, Raj. Yes.
yeah. Now, whatever the view operation you are doing, I want to do some styling for this. So I want to go with some borders. So for that one, let us go to this file, view component.css file. In this view component.css file, let me create one class display, any class name. So we'll go with border 5 pixel, double, some orange red, some colors any wish. Then we'll say padding 10 pixel, then border radius, we'll go with 6 pixel, then margin top 10 pixel, then width, we'll say some 300 pixel. So I'm just creating one style display in view account. Where is that file? This one. So here, this division will refer to the class display. This division will refer to the class display. Now check it here. See, it's looking good, right? So to go for look and feel, we are applying the styles part here, right? So what we have done in this one, view account component.css file, we have created one style called as display, and we have provided the styles here, and we have referred to this class display. Clear?
Yes,
Right?
Raj.
So this is our complete application where we have seen the list of details, list of account. We can able to open account. We can able to deposit the amount. We can able to withdraw. We can able to delete, and we can able to view. So all the modules we have completed. So with this, we complete our project 2. And in the next session, we'll go back to the tools and we'll complete the remaining tools and we'll go with major project. Right? So please practice this compulsory, and I will upload. I'm going to upload the backend and front end in our GitHub. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Raj.